Deputy Seán Kyne.
I'd like to just to take up where I was speaking previously, that regarding the particular issue regarding the deaths abroad. I covered some of the other areas previously, and the legislation I produced in 2012 covers some of the shortcomings experienced by a number of Irish families who died abroad, and currently the law did not permit the registration of such deaths abroad. So I'm glad to see that this has been taken care of, and that the obstacles which impeded the introduction of these important measures have been overcome, enabling the ministers to proceed. It's been quite a while coming, and I'm delighted that we've seen progress now. And as I alluded to, there was a Bring Them Home campaign in Galway, which was led by my colleague, Councillor Paul Keneally, who led a delegation before the Oireachtas Committee on this issue. And it's important that the legal obstacles which impeded the introduction of these important measures have been overcome, enabling the ministers to proceed with this comprehensive bill. Section 13 of the bill amends Part 5 of the Civil Registration Act 2004, creates a new register of Irish deaths abroad through Section 44B. Section 44C sets out the information that the Ard Cláraitheoir will require in order to register the death, while Section 44D empowers the Ard Cláraitheoir, or an agent acting on behalf of the office, to provide families, including parents, siblings and partners, with a certificate reflecting the entry of the death on the Irish record of deaths abroad. Crucially, the bill is retrospective in this regard. Families of Irish people who have died abroad in the recent or distant past will be able to apply to have the death recorded on the new register of Irish deaths abroad and obtain an equivalent to an Irish death certificate. And just in conclusion, I'd like to thank the Minister and the Department officials for work in this area. It's a very emotive issue for families who've suffered a bereavement abroad, and many parents and siblings of family members who've died abroad have been in contact with me, who just feel that for closure for them and their families, they want an Irish death certificate. I'm glad that this process is going through the Dáil, and they will soon be able to receive that death certificate. Come on.